Friends, we all know communication यानी बोलना, to be able to speak, and we all work on sharpening our communication skills because we know that how we communicate has a huge impact on the other person. But do you know that staying silent is a big tool in communication? It is said that it takes 2 years for us to learn to speak and a lifetime to learn to know when to keep quiet. As a business coach, I have learned that knowing what to speak, when to speak, how to speak is extremely important. But knowing when to keep quiet can be a game changer for you. So today, I am going to share with you 3 situations in which staying silent can be your best strategy. Let's get started. The first such situation is in the team review meetings. Friends, as business owners, these are the meetings when your people will inform you about the work done by them, the progress made by them. So it is important for you to listen to them. Resist the temptation of interrupting them and allow them to express themselves fully. Because when they express themselves fully, you will know what is the help probably they need from you, support they need from you, where are they stuck. And when you listen carefully, you can get great insights about some ground reality of the assignment. You can get some great suggestions from your team. And again, when you listen to them carefully, it builds a level of trust with your team. It also helps smooth accomplishment of every assignment. So in all team review meetings, make sure that you listen more and speak less. Second situation when staying silent is your best strategy is when you are receiving feedback from your customers. Friends, getting feedback from customer is a gift to you to improve your product and services. So when they are giving their feedback, listen to them silently, quietly, with attention. Ask them questions, show your interest, and encourage them to talk. Don't try to respond immediately to their concerns. Just listen to them. Because when you listen to them, you will understand the problems, their concerns, and even suggestions. So try to absorb what they have to say before you respond immediately. This will also give an impression that you value their opinion, and this will help build a long-lasting relationship with your customers. So whenever you are receiving feedback from your customer, try to stay quiet, listen to them attentively with interest. This will help you improve relationship with your customers and he will become your long-lasting customer. And the third situation when staying silent can be your best strategy is during negotiation. With your prospect, when you have already spoken about the benefits and features of your product, when you have resolved the doubts and concerns about your product, and when finally you have revealed the price of the product, this is the time for you to stay quiet. Don't expect an immediate response from your prospect. Let him process the information. Let him digest the proposal that you have given to him. Give him time and freedom to respond to your proposal. Because if you keep speaking after revealing the price, you are actually going down the hill. So this is the time for you to stay quiet and give him time and freedom to take a decision and respond accordingly. This will increase your chances of getting a yes from your prospect. So friends, staying silent is not always a sign of weakness, but a well thought out, clever strategy to build long-term relationship with your team members, with your customers, and even with your prospects. Do you know any other situation when staying silent can be used as a powerful tool in communication? Let me know in the comment box. And if you have found this information useful, then like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.